Hello everyone. Today we are starting bar graphs. Bar graphs we had already learned. Now today I am briefly explaining you what is bar graph and how to draw it and how to read it. So bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of rectangles or bars. So when we represent the data in the form of rectangles, it is known as bar graph, and for this we require a graph paper. The bar are of equal width but the different heights. What is the equal width? Like if I'll make the graph in this way, so whatever bars, whatever rectangles I am making, their width must be equal. Like this width is equal, but their heights can be varies. Their heights can be different. Okay. Now in this horizontal axis is known as x-axis, vertically axis is known as y-axis, and the intersecting point of both the axes is known as the origin. So whenever we want to make a graph, we required a graph paper. And how to make that? Here I am not making on graph paper, but you need to make on a graph paper, and for that you need to take a suitable scale. Like for example, there are certain questions from your book, question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 10th, 11th, 12th, which you need to do in your graph notebook. It means you need to make the graph for those particular data. So here I am telling the question number 2. The following table shows the favorite sports of 250 students of a school. Represent the data by a bar graph. So if we look at the data, these all numbers come in the table of 5. We can take the scale of 5 or we can take of 10. 5, 10, table of 2. These type of scale will be better and it is very easy to make the graph. So here I am taking the scale of 10. And you know, for making the graph, first we need to make two axes, x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we are taking the sports like cricket, football, tennis, badminton, swimming, and here on y-axis I am taking number of students. So as I told, we need to take a particular scale for this. I am taking the table of 10, 10, 20, 30 at the gap of one block I am taking this. Now cricket is 75, so where it will be? Okay, I am telling about football. So football is 35, so it lies between, like cricket is 75, so it will be till here, and then football is between this here 35, so it will be like this. Tennis is 50, so it till here. It means by looking the data on the y-axis we can make the graph. I'm showing you one example here. You'll get the graph like that. So here you can see we leave one block, then we make the bar, leave one block, then we make the bar according to the height which is required. So you all need to try this type of graph to make. For this, please make on a graph paper, not on a simple paper. Okay. In any problem, in any question, you can ask during your live class. Now I'm telling you how to read a bar graph. Reading of bar graph. So graph is already made. आपको सिर्फ इस graph को देख के questions के answers write करने. What is the first question? Actually, in this graph, years are given on the x-axis and the production of food grains in million tons is given on the y-axis. Now, what is the first question? What information is given by the bar graph? What information we are getting? We are getting the production of food grains in different years. So this information we are getting. In which year was the production maximum? So you can see this bar is the highest one. So in which year? 2002 the production was maximum. After which year was there a sudden fall in the production? Sudden fall. So you can see in 2002 the production was very good, and in 2003 sudden fall. So after which year? After 2002 the production was fall. Find the ratio between the maximum production and the minimum production. So if we look at the graph, the maximum production is still 100 and the minimum production is 40. So we need to find the ratio. So we are doing 100 ratio 40. If we cancel out 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So 5 ratio 2 is the ratio. So it means after reading the bar graph, we can easily give out the answer of the particular question. So do all these graph in your graph notebook. Go through this virtual link carefully. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.